Samsung Galaxy M10. Introducing the new Galaxy M10. 15.8 centimeters, 6.22. Infinity V display. 3400 mAh. Ultra wide. Dual camera. 3GB plus 32GB at 8990. 2GB plus 16GB at 7990. Samsung Galaxy M10. I'm we cool. With a 15.8 centimeters, 6.22 HD plus Infinity V display. It's time to take your phone viewing experience to the next level with the powerful 15.8 centimeters, 6.22 Infinity V display. Infinity display. Samsung Galaxy M10. I'm social. With ultra-wide dual rear camera. Now shoot from one extreme to the other without FOMO. Set hush squad goals by clicking group photos from ultra-wide dual rear camera. Ultra-wide shot. Samsung Galaxy M10. I'm fan. With 13MP f1.9 plus live focus. Get perfect shots in low light with f1.9 aperture and great portrait shots with live focus feature. Low light click. Samsung Galaxy M10. f1.9 aperture for great low light photography. Live focus click. Samsung Galaxy M10. Live focus for great portrait shots. I'm more. With 5MP f2.0 front camera and in-display flash. Just fire up the front camera fully. Selfies on your social feed with the in-display flash and f2.0 aperture. Selfie focus click. Samsung Galaxy M10. Selfie focus. Display flash click. Samsung Galaxy M10. In-display flash. I'm quick. It's the 1.6 GHz Exynos octa-core processor. Do more with your phone and do it faster than ever before with the powerful 1.6 GHz Exynos octa-core processor. Powerful processor. Samsung Galaxy M10. I'm slim. With a 7.7mm body and premium colors. The Galaxy M10 has a stunning 7.7mm slim design and is available in premium colors, charcoal black and ocean blue. Color variant, Samsung Galaxy M10. I'm fun. With Widevine L1 certification to view HD. Now live stream your favorite HD content with the Widevine L1 certification. Widevine L1 to view HD content, Samsung Galaxy M10. I'm secure. With fast face U. Lock. Use personalized protection to unlock your phone quickly. Fast facial unlock, Samsung Galaxy M10. I'm unstoppable. With 3400 mAh battery. The Galaxy M10 is built for the long-haul action so that you stay in charge. Better battery backup. Samsung Galaxy M10 battery backup. Samsung Galaxy M10. I'm smooth. With super fast Samsung Experience V9.5. Enjoy the experience of a smoother and faster UX. Optimized for the Galaxy M series. Super fast Samsung experience, Samsung Galaxy M10. With smart sensors for more power. Super fast Samsung experience, Samsung Galaxy M10.
Yeehaw! Whoa. And then Oke. seru nih guys, ada kayak efek-efeknya, lihat nih ya. Tuh. Wih, keren. Lihat ini, saya deketin lagi nih. Hup. Wih, keren. Oke guys, demikian dulu video unboxing dari Samsung Galaxy M10 ini. Kesan pertama saya, ini adalah smartphone yang nggak nyangka kalau ini adalah smartphone Samsung. Nggak biasanya Samsung bikin smartphone kayak